I am Saturn, the great teacher. I show where life brings lessons, pressure, and growth that helps people become stronger and wiser over time.
Saturn feels at home in Capricorn, challenged in Cancer, comfortable in Libra, and weakened in Aries. These signs show where Saturn works with more ease or more tension.
Saturn can feel uncomfortable, but that pressure often pushes people to work hard, stay committed, and build something lasting through effort and discipline. Around age 28, the first Saturn return brings an important lesson. This is a time when people often face reality, grow up, and learn what truly matters.
Saturn demands strategy and alignment. When people move off their path, Saturn teaches them what is not working so they can return to what is true for them. Saturn is not only strict. Saturn also protects what is growing inside a person. The challenge itself can guard a deeper strength that is still developing.
Saturn helps turn lead into gold. The lessons can feel heavy at first, yet learning patience, responsibility, and mastery creates real inner strength. When people learn Saturn's lessons, they begin to receive Jupiter's rewards. The more Saturn is mastered, the more blessings, growth, and wisdom can open.
Saturn can start as a difficult teacher, but with maturity it becomes an ally. It shows people how to stay on path, trust their growth, and build a life with meaning,